You think I can eat it?
नहीं खा के देख भाई ये edible है ना? This is the kind of uncultured fools we are, dude.
That one is really good.
This is honestly one of my favorite episodes till now. I hope you all feel the same way.
Beautiful rainy Wednesday afternoon, and after having hit up multiple dive bars, budget bars across the city, we're here at one of the best bars in the country, one of the best restaurants in the world, for a little fine dine elevated drinking experience.
Finally!
But thanks to you also, please keep watching our videos so we can visit nicer places like these as well.
Thanks to Kaji Bhai, we're here.
Thanks to Keji Bhai.
I really appreciate them. They love us like a brother.
We're today at Eka. Well, that's gorgeous.
Smells so good in here.
I'm actually very, very excited. I've never been here. I've heard so much about the place. I just haven't been to this side of town. Oh, brother, I live in Mud Island.
Yeah,
You
we
live in
also
Mud
we
Island.
live in Mud Island.
You live in Rahija?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's go. Let's go.
The design of this place is very like minimalistic. Very, I don't know if it's
Yeah,
Japanese
it's
inspired.
kind of like
I don't know if
open.
it's
So I think it's
Nordic.
Nordic and Japanese. Fusion of them both architecture-wise. My name is Kaustubh.
Okay.
And welcome to Dwadash. This is our first ever Ayurvedic bar, you can say. Daru Dawa bar.
Daru Dawa Bar. This is the best thing I've ever heard on.
Focus on the medical purpose. All the ingredients are like foraged from different parts of India, like from north to south, east to west. And that's for you. That's called a knowledge of life.
Alright, it's called the knowledge of life.
Dwadash is a Sanskrit word which means 12. So a bar which has 12 cocktails and all Ayurvedic. Plus khas ki jad, it's called as Indian metaphor.
Oh, whoa, that's...
It's potent, it has alcohol inside.
Oh, that smells kind of nice.
Yeah.
Can I do a little?
We use a product from Belgium that's called as super sour.
Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Just have a very little, it's very sour. Wow, this is like a little mad scientist lab over here. Going on with all kinds.
Cool. Oh, dude, that's evolving the taste, man. Like that chireta जो आपने taste कराया था, like now I get it. My God,
That one is really good. That was incredible.
this shit is. This is incredible, my man. I'm getting the umami,
Yes.
which I'm a huge fan of.
I wish I could just try the honey garlic concoction on its own, just to see like.
The more I do these videos, the more I realize that the best part of the job is maybe not the alcohol anymore, right?
It's the craft that goes into it. It's meeting people like him who are like so interested in what they do. Can I buy like a little bottle of this?
Oh, dude.
So that's the pepper that comes all the way from like north. That's the Timbur pepper for you.
Oh, that smells amazing.
That smells like the mountains.
Up next we have a juniper berry that comes from Himalaya. That's called as Himalayan juniper berries. That's called as Himalayan fir or
fir.
the Himalayan pine leaves.
Right. Again, it's balancing sweet and spicy really well. And there's a nice aftertaste. Something is.
What's the aftertaste? What's the?
It's not there in the menu. It's hidden.
Oh, what is this guy is fucking hiding things from us, man. Sure.
So that's called as Naga basil.
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, it's that star anise kind of vibe.
The one with the jhag. I love my jhag wala cocktail. इसका नाम क्या है?
Jatamans.
Jada Mansa. I think it's got a little bit more of the sweetness along with the savory.
I don't want it to be that sweet because then I can't drink more. I like this better than this, I think. But we're quickly getting drunk.
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
Like, this is not a good. This is like not a big drinker. If you can ask him,
I am.
I can really taste the pandaniness of it, but that's because I recognize that flavor.
That's to make it better.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, very fresh. Very 11 a.m. cocktail.
It's very nice.
What are we spritzing it with?
That's the casual stone water. That's just a water. You can spray it on the piece.
What is this? Is the petrichor. Does it give you the feeling of the first rains?
No, like it's unlike anything that I've at least like that I can recall.
This-
I don't think we got to like really
See this?
see the space properly. If I could live here,
Ah,
that'd be kind of nice.
wow, this is a really nice space.
I love this.
Yeah.
It's some sort of a gourd only, it seems. Oh, pine cones. I love that they've got this open sort of kitchen. There seems to be a meeting going on here. And this is Dwadash, which is the name of their bar. These are actually just plating pictures of how each dish is actually supposed to be served. And also it smells really good in here. Hi.
Hi.
Shivam, nice to meet you.
Siddharth, nice to meet you. How are you? Can we mic you? Is that okay?
Yeah, please.
You can get whatever tapas and whatever drink and they pair well.
Absolutely.
That's the idea.
Absolutely. We've actually worked quite hard to accomplish that. We worked extensively on the vegetarian side as well. Even if I don't showcase that today, there's a lot for the vegetarians here. So with this one, it's a cured pork belly. It almost tastes like a cross between bacon and ham.
Okay.
And it's good pork, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
Our pork actually comes from the northeast. So the ratio of the fat to the meat is perfection. We just slice it very thinly right after we cure it and age it just a bit. And we serve it with our own homemade salsa matcha, which has different seeds and nuts. So just for the ease of eating, we've cut the pieces into like smaller pieces. So you're having the mountain pepper drink. That's the same mountain pepper that goes into it. The entire establishment is ingredient forward. When you say Eka, it's what cuisine is it that people ask. When they say cuisine, it also means the bar program.
Yeah.
We say it's an ingredient centric or an ingredient forward cuisine.
What's your favorite cocktail from the program?
I think it's a very good time to tell you all I don't drink.
Wow.
No coffee, no tea. I actually drink milk. People say, how did you start a Darul Chakna bar? Why would a person who doesn't drink start a Darul Chakna bar? So I tell them, have you heard of those drug lords who basically don't get high on their own supply? I'm just like that.
That's a pretty good answer, yeah.
We've actually used a blend. So it has Tomde Bombay cheese in it, which comes from Spotted Cow Fromagerie. And there's a very special batch that's actually made for Eka. So that's a little bit more mature. So that nice nuttiness that you're getting is from the batch that's made for us.
Kind of criminal that you're only giving this much in each.
Yeah, but it's a tapas. So then if I give someone more,
I was just like, man.
I could eat 5 of these. Easy.
Now that you said it, I understand कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता तो मुझे लगता
heavy
क्या
hai.
कुछ और कि शायद
Our palates are basically very multi-dimensional. We're not going to be happy just eating one big bowl of the same
Yes,
thing.
that's what I meant.
You get bored. Basically, not us, but the tongue gets very monotonous, and we don't like monotonous. Is what I've realized. Indians like texture, not just Indians, Asians. We like texture players. So you need to attack really, really fast, guys.
Quick attack.
Okay, quick attack.
This is called sassoon. It's actually like a plethora of minced fish. The sauce is actually the star. It has fish eggs in it.
Okay.
So they're gonna pop in your mouth. So just like and take a lot of the sauce. The spice hits you.
It's like yogurt.
Do you need water?
Yogurt, dill. Is it yogurt?
No, I can't put yogurt. It's just egg whites, just beautifully whipped
Whites.
egg whites.
So all of these things that we've eaten so far, they're just part of the tapas menu.
Yeah, just
They're not part of the prefix or whatever the dinner service thing.
I mean, you want water?
Shiva, man, what the hell?
So that's a special spice mix that we put on top. That actually has shrimp in it.
I would probably, if I'm coming here with 3 people like myself,
Yeah.
we would. How many you have of these on the menu?
We have around 9 tapas.
9? All.
And
All would be all.
Yeah,
Are
that's what
people
people
coming?
usually stick to. Don't take my video. Don't take my video.
This is honestly one of my favorite episodes till now. I hope you all feel the same way.
Yay! Let's eat.
In 1 more minute, there's going to be a chef's briefing. This is how a real kitchen looks like. Where are we going, brother?
there's a vinyl uncle downstairs.
Okay.
He's just a vinyl uncle. He's my friend. He has a vinyl situation. I just have to get a couple of vinyls for my friend as a gift for his wedding. So while we're here, let's just do that.
Let's do that. After a very, very incredible experience at Eka.
I'm drunk.
Okay, so am I. Which is right here. We're heading to stop number 2. But we don't need to step outside of Eka because for that, right here, little secret door in the back.
There's also another entrance right here if you plan to come. But this is KMC. I love the vibe. It's giving very old school New York, very gangster.
What's your name, brother?
Oh!
I'm Shivam, brother.
So I would like you to try this, the home liqueur. It's a sambuca. We make it in house.
Sambuca.
Okay. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers, Shivam.
Cheers.
It's like a star anise.
Star anise, yeah. Should we slam it?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
So our cocktail menu is based on pure classics and classics with our twists. Like you can get a picante.
So the Khas and Ghost Picante, the Truffle Negroni, and the Shiitake Espresso Martini.
Amazing.
Rose dust and sugar. This is the first time I've had a picante where they've added a sweet element.
I like it.
Yeah, now that I got the spice, and now I got that little earthiness of the Khas. Oh, the spice at the back. Ghost pepper is really coming in at the end.
Yeah.
The aftertaste is in my throat.
Anything infused with honey we're into today.
Yeah. It seems like
Garlic, honey. Ooh.
दोनों का नमक जब साथ में मिल रहा है ना, जब दोनों का नमक साथ में मिल रहा है, तब बात बन रही है ऐसा लग रहा है. They've gone for these like here they went for
classics, but like
contrast.
changed. Yeah.
Like here they've gone for a sweeter rim. Here they've gone for a saline.
Right. Like changing one or like adding a component to it.
Yeah, and a very sort of an important, like a risky.
Yeah, like taking some chances with it.
Yeah.
You're right.
This
This is the third drink.
third drink.
What is it called? You're gonna fuck it up, I know. What is it?
Gangura.
Yeah. It's Gongura.
Gongura sour. This was one of the things to try at KMC, and we are trying it.
It's like a bull, the buldak
Yeah.
ramen. Is their kind of interpretation
But
of
is it very
with
mirchi?
pasta. Not really.
We're gonna do a quick walk around, and you're gonna pick your favorite poster.
This one. This was us 10 minutes ago. I mean, that was right. This is a tough wall, brother. This is a tough wall. I'm actually having conflicting. I like this one for sure.
Loving that smell.
It smells insane. I mean, it's nice. He's back.
That's hands down one of the better things I've had in my life. I'm a truffle slut, dude. I'm also a slut. Life में ना बहुत कम liquids हैं जो पानी पूरी के पानी से बेहतर होते हैं. This is up there with पानी पूरी का पानी.
You think I can eat it?
नहीं खा के देख. भाई ये edible है ना? This is the kind of uncultured fools we are, dude.
Very nice.
है ना? बढ़िया.
Very nice.
मुझे feel ही हो रहा था भाई ये coriander whiskey.
It's like
ये मेरे पापा
different than every other drink we've had this tonight.
Okay.
It's refreshing. It's like a
Okay.
soda. It's like a juice.
And it's light also.
Yeah.
It's very light, it's refreshing,
It's like
it's herbal.
completely different vibe than
Eka.
which is right outside, which is really nice pairing, I would say.
I think both of them are solid date spots. In a very
In a
different
like,
way.
yeah, that's true.
You know? This is a good one. It's kind of fruity. It's a kacha aam.
Yeah. But with guava.
Yeah, with a guava, yeah.
Very nice. I think these were both
Refreshing date.
my favorite ones of here.
ये espresso martini है, shiitake espresso martini.
Well, okay, interesting.
Interesting. This gangura. Oh, I forgot. This is an achari. This is an achari drink.
I agree.
I don't even like my mad angles in achari masti flavor. This is the guava.
Guava Paloma.
Some sort of a spicy guava.
I
paloma.
think this might be the best one.
This is the coriander whiskey highball.
Yeah, the highball.
And
Yeah.
I think what this is lacking is maybe I would prefer a little bit more coriander.
Oh my god, brother, what the hell?
What the hell?
मेरे ख्याल से पापड़ side
थोड़े
में
से
खा
रहने दे,
लेते
थोड़े से रहने दे.
हैं। हाँ तो एक दो
एक दो
रहने दे।
हाँ, for crunch.
हाँ ठीक है अब ऐसे smash करा दे.
Oh, it's very nice and soft.
It's like a breakfast sandwich.
Huh.
Nice.
Dude, it's actually so much lighter than I imagined it to be.
What to take you to?
I'm gonna say quick 15K.
I'm gonna say 11,272.
नहीं इतना specific मत हो यार.
9970.
That's really bang for our buck because we had a ton of stuff. This, friends, was KMC. Take a second, sorry. What's the full form?
It's K stands for Khana, our food program. M stands for our Mehfil, our drink program. And C stands for Chacha.
Khana Mehfil Charcha. Dude, I love it. I think the cocktails for me were very, very different from like what I've had overall generally.
Yeah.
I think they were very innovative. They were definitely tasty.
Yeah.
And I just loved how they're approaching the entire scene with the restaurant. I love the aesthetic.
For sure.
I love their the philosophy of ingredient first, food and cocktails. We were lucky enough to bump into Chef Niyati, who was
awesome.
who was
Yeah.
incredible as a
Super
person
chill.
and of course as a chef. My favorite cocktail, I'm forgetting the name because like you all saw, I've been drinking for the last few hours on camera, was one of the cocktails that we got in the second round. We'll put it here. We'll show you which cocktail that was. And which was your favorite cocktail from Eka?
I think Eka, the khus whatever
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
was the first round wala one.
Yeah.
That was definitely the most unique one for me.
Yeah.
And then in KMC, I think the 2 highballs that we had were really good.
Yeah.
Coriander
Whiskey highball.
whiskey highball and the guava paloma.
Yeah.
It was really nice to see Eka as like the serious fine dining place versus KMC as like the casual fine dining
Yeah.
place. But you can see that the level of detail and the level of
Finesse,
attention
yeah,
to things
yeah.
and finesse was equally high
Yeah.
in both the places.
Yeah.
And like that's really commendable.
There is the attention to detail in both the food and the cocktail program, and also how they've designed the places, right? I think
Yeah.
these are both incredible places in Fort, and we highly recommend that you come and check these out. Let us know if you've already been here, what your favorite cocktails are, what you love about these places. There's a new KMC that's opened up in Vikhroli.
Yeah.
Check that out as well. And tell us on any other places that you'd want us to hit up. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and stay sober.
Oh, please cut the part where I was swearing, huh?
Okay.
I don't swear in Eka. so-
You don't swear in